Do you suffer from acne? Yes, we got Aerolase here to treat acne, and it's the best treatment up to date for acne treatment. It resolves the acne super quickly, and it helps the patient to improve and reduce oil seeding. So Aerolase is a very good machine for acne. As I've said, it reduces the sebum. It makes acne to resolve faster. So from the center to this, I did Aerolase. You could see how elimination of melasma, which is pigmentation, no pigmentation. And from here to here, I did not do Aerolase, and you could see that there is all pigmentation. This is the magic of Aerolase. So as you see, this patient has vessels. All these vessels are from the rosacea disease that he has. We'll be using something called Aerolase. Aerolase will try to improve him, and I will let you see how we vanish all these vessels. So when you see these vessels, the practitioner can start from here hitting and going up, or from here hitting and going down. It's a must always to evaluate from which area we start, because it's too much different if we start from up or we start from down. How we know this? So if I press, as you can see, it goes out. If it goes out like this, and if I press like here, it doesn't go so much better. This means that the vein is coming from this side to this side. So when I start with Aerolase, I start always from the opposite side. Why? Because I want to block all the vessels coming back and finalize it. Because if I start hitting from here, you would see that the vein is not collapsing, but if I start hitting from here, the vein it collapses. This is a nice trick for Aerolase. I have treated all this area with Aerolase, and this area I did not treat it with Aerolase. As you could see how veins there are here, and there is no veins here, thanks to Aerolase. Here we're doing Aerolase for my skin to improve it. Also, I have drawn a line here to eliminate all the hair that I have over that area, as you could see. Here I did my Aerolase, and if you're asking if there is downtime, there is no downtime with Aerolase. I really love this machine laser because after the procedure you can go to anywhere and no one knows.